Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're at Potter's Bar on the East Coast Main Line. First train to pass by. Already action packed is 700-026. That's forming a service, I believe, to London King's Cross from Ely. However, I could be incorrect. So today you'll be seeing services by LNER, Great Northern, Thameslink, Grand Central, Hull Trains, and I think that's it. I don't think there's any Lumo today. There might be the odd rubbish bit of filming of a plane. If we just go up there, you can be able to see a BA Dreamliner taking off, but I'm not going to do that every time. The next, sorry for the click there, next train to pass by, as seems to be standard for starting these videos on the East Coast Main Line now, we've got a Hull Trains Paragon heading to Hull from London King's Cross. I think it's 802-302. Could be 303, I cannot remember what RTT said. Anyway, let's see what else shall turn up here at Potter's Bar. And the next train to pass by, we've got 800-105 heading to Aberdeen. Nice little tone from the driver, thanks very much. And the next train to pass by, I've got a 225 set heading from York to London King's Cross. That was 82-205 and 91-127. And the 717 has arrived, but the next train to pass by is another 225 set heading to Leeds. This is 91-130 on the front. .82 DVT I didn't quite get, but the 717 I believe is about ready to go, so I'll keep it rolling. There we go, took its time. Apologies for the clicking on the previous 91. When I turn the camera, what is basically away from the sun, I cannot see the camcorder face at all, so my zooming might be a bit off. And the next train to arrive in, we've got a pair of Great Northern 387s heading to Cambridge on the stopper. 387-114 is on the front. And on the back, I'll find out when it leaves. And now leaving, we've got the pair of 387s. On the rear is 387-125. And immediately afterwards we've got 700 heading from Peterborough to Horsham, which is 700-119. going at quite some speed. And the next train to pass by, we've got a Azuma, that's the one, from Harrogate to London King's Cross. Which is 800-106, and then if we keep filming, we've got another Azuma heading from London King's Cross to Lincoln Central. (800-202). And now passing by, we've got a service from King's Lynn to London King's Cross, which is 387303 on the front. Nice tone from the driver. And on the back is 387117, and if we keep going, we've got a service to Ely, worked by 700-057, with another nice tone. So, thanks very much for that. And the next train to arrive in, we've got another 717 heading from Moorgate to Welwyn Garden City. And I'll catch it when it leaves. Okay, and now leaving, we've got the 717. And the next train to pass by, we've got another Thameslink 700, but I don't know where it's going. I cannot find it anywhere on real-time trains. 700-104. And it's definitely got people on it, but I don't know where it's going. The good news is, I know where this one is going. This one is a Thameslink 700 heading from Horsham to Peterborough. 700-101. And the next train to arrive in, we've got a pair of 387s heading from, well, might be 379s actually, heading from, this is a service from Cambridge to London King's Cross, and it is indeed a pair of 379s. 379001 is on the front. And on the back is, I can't see yet because the numbers are only printed on one side. So I will get the back unit when it leaves. And now departing, the pair of 379s off to London King's Cross. On the back is 379022. And a very curious lady. Now passing by, we've got a Thameslink service from Cambridge to Brighton, 700-122. And now passing by, we have an LNER and Azuma heading to Edinburgh. (801-212), and we also have a 717 arriving heading to Moorgate. And if we do another turn here, we find another Azuma which is working the opposite service, I believe, from Edinburgh to London. And that is 801-204. And I'll catch this when it leaves. And we've got another LNER Azuma heading to Leeds this time. (801-211), and the 717 is now leaving. And also arriving in up here, if we zoom down a bit, is a Thameslink 700 working the service from London King's Cross to Cambridge, so I guess I may as well keep it going. Give it 5 seconds and you will see it, hopefully. (700-026). And as always, I will catch this train when it departs, unless anything else comes first, obviously. And now passing by, we've got an LNER Azuma heading from Aberdeen to London King's Cross. (800-109), and then also leaving is the Thameslink 700. Someone has tried to replicate First Capital Connect or First Great Western Dynamic Line, not quite worked. So that's off to Cambridge. The next train to pass by is a Thameslink 700 heading from Brighton to Cambridge. 700-012. With some nice tones and wind. And now passing by, we've got a pair of 387s heading from London King's Cross to King's Lynn. It's 387173 on the back. I cannot remember what was on the front, but I think we did see it earlier. And the next train to pass by, we've got another 91 set. Didn't get the DVT, but that is obviously a 91-110 working from Leeds to London King's Cross. And now passing through is 802-302 with a service from Hull to London King's Cross. And the next train to pass by, we've got a Grand Central Voyager heading to Bradford Interchange, 221142. And now passing by, we've got an LNER and Azuma heading from Lincoln Central to London King's Cross. This is 800-203, I believe. And the next train to pass by, we've got a service from Peterborough to Horsham. And the next train to arrive in, we've got 717006 with a service to Moorgate from Welwyn Garden City. And we'll catch this train when it departs. And the next train to pass by, we have an LNER and Azuma heading to Edinburgh. Okay, arriving in now, we have a 387 and 700-146 heading from Cambridge to Brighton. 387-117 is arriving in on the other track here. And I'll catch this train when it departs. Though there should be something first. And this is what we were waiting for. We've got a Intercity 225 set heading to Bradford Forster Square. (91-127) with its DVT again, and also leaving is the service to Cambridge. And it's the purple livery 387-303 on the back. And yes, the fence is a bit in the way. Alright, we've got a Thameslink 700 heading from Brighton to Cambridge. 700-132. With a nice little whistle from the driver there, so thank you very much. Unfortunately we're going to get bold, but we've got a 91 heading from Leeds to London and an IET heading the opposite way. Well, you can all see 91-111 there, just about. So that wasn't too bad. And now passing by is our final train of the day, which is a Great Northern service from King's Cross to King's Lynn. 379022 and 001. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give a drop a comment in the comment section, like and subscribe as always. Quite a good station to spot out here. 91111 minorly ruined by the 800, but anyways, I'll end it here. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.